Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This message goes to whoever Allah has bestowed onto with the blessing of understanding the Holy Qur'an or bits of it, but they fatherless towards acting upon them, and to those who sleep during the time of Salah knowingly till it elapses. Obubaka buno budda eri yenna Allah gwe yawa ekyengera ky'okubanga Qur'ani agitegeera oba ayinamu ebitundutundu by'amanyi mu yo amakulu agabirimu naye n'atafaayo ogakolerako, n'oyo yenna eyebaka mu budde bw'essala yonna endaalike subuhi, dhuhri, asri, maghribi oba ishai ne buyita nga tafuddeeyo kusaala. An Samra ibn Jundub radiyallahu anhu عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم في الرؤيا قال: أما الذي يثلغ رأسه بالحجر فإنه يأخذ القرآن فيرفضه وينام عن الصلاة المكتوبة. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said in one of his narrations narrated by a companion called Samra, the son of Jundub, may Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala be pleased with him, said he got this tradition from the Prophet, peace be upon him, in one of the Prophet's dreams. The Prophet, peace be upon him, once dreamt, and we all know that dreams of prophets are true. He dreamt and he saw two men where one was lying down and the other was standing close to him holding a very huge stone. Then what this one could do, he could throw this huge stone onto the head of the friend who was lying, the man who was lying, and upon it hitting his head bursts. Then the stone rolls away. This man follows up the stone to bring it back. By the time he gets the stone and brings it back, he finds when this one's head has come back to its normal position, and he does it the same way he did in the first time. He hits him again, the stone rolls away. By the time he brings it back, the man has already come back to normal with all that pain. Then when the Prophet, peace be upon him, was translating this tradition or this dream of his, he said, unto that person whom I told you of, that the friend could hit his head with a very huge stone and it rolls away, then he goes following it up to bring it back, and he finds his head back to its normal position, normal state. That one is a punishment to whoever has memorized and understood the meaning of the Holy Qur'an or parts of it, but does not bother to work upon it, works onto the opposite of what the Holy Qur'an says. And to whoever sleeps whenever time for Salah comes, and he very well knows that it's time for Salah, and he or she decides to sleep till its time elapses. That's the punishment that Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala will give that person onto the day of judgment. May Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala prevent us from such huge and painful punishments and put us amongst those people who will always be active during times of Salah. Please, let's endeavor, make sure that, please, if it's to become weak in your life, if it's to become weak in any part of your religion, let it not be in the part of prayers, more so the 5 prescribed prayers because their value is onto the maximum of the expectations. May Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala make us amongst those people who will never be reluctant onto the 5 daily prayers. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam mu hadithi ya Samura ibn Jundub okusima kwa Allah kubere kuye. Samura tugamba nti hadithi eno yajijja ku nabbi wa Allah okusaasira n'emirembe bibeere kuye nga nabbi lumu yalaba ekirooto sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Waliwo abasajja babiri ng'omu ng'agalamidde ate omujjukire nti ebirooto by'abannabbi bituufu. Omu yali agalamidde munne ng'akutte ejjinja ddene. Ono akutte ejjinja ng'akuba omutwe gwa munne eyali agalamidde. Omutwe nga gumementuka gwonna. Ejjinja ne lyekulula ne lidda ewala, ne lyebulungula ne lidda ewala. Kakati ono ng'aligobako agenda alizze. Kakati mu kaseera waaliddiza ewali munne we yabadde we yamukubidde, agenda okusanga ng'omutwe guzzeewo nga bwe gwabadde. Ate n'alimukuba ne lyebulungula n'alinona, agenda okudda ng'asanga omutwe guzzeewo nga bwe gubadde. Naye ng'ali mu bulumi bw'amaanyi. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam bwe yali avunula ekirooto kye kino yagamba nti oyo omusajja oyo gwe bali bakuba omutwe kye kibonerezo ekigenda okussibwa naku buli yenna Allah gwe yawa ekyengera kya Qur'ani. Allah gwe yawa ekyengera kya Qur'ani ng'asobola okugisoma n'okutegeera amakulu agagirimu yonna oba kitundu ku yo, naye n'atafaayo gikolerako. N'oyo yenna eyeebaka mu budde bw'esswala endaalike ne buyitako nga tafuddeeyo gisaala, kye kibonerezo Allah kyagenda omuwa ku lunaku olw'ensonga. Mbakubiriza seerese eyo. Bw'obanga nga ojja kubeera mugayaavu mu ddiini yo, kireme kujjanga obugayaavu obunafu mu ggwe buli ku sswala, kubanga eddaala lya sswala mu ddiini yaffe eno ddene nnyo, teryetaaga muntu yenna kubanga alyesamba. Wabarakallahu fikum wa jazakumullahu khayra. Wassalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
قل لي لماذا لا تصلي يا ناسي الصلوات قل لي